Okay guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete a Facebook event. So let's dive in. You click on the your profile button, then scroll up, click on event, and you scroll up and you can see your event. So what you're going to do is, these are the quick events that you have. Click on this three button here and you can click on hide event, and you can automatically hide this event. You're not going to see any event here. So if your own event, you're not gonna see any notification. And the past event, you can see, click on this past event, just click on it, and let's see, click on manage your event, and you can say edit, copy, share, do anything. It's something you can do here. So just click on edit, and you click on delete, and you can delete the event. Okay, the event is been deleted now. So guys, you can see, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.